all sorts of fun to be had on this slavish, traverse-ish, overhang-ish problem. Just trying to work my way through the start and figure out these first couple of moves and getting the sequence right, connecting moves, and okay, decent progression. Just trying to work the feet out, hanging back pretty far with the left hand on that overhang. I guess it just sort of allows me to do it, but the right hand really not going to be doing a lot of work with that crimp to hang onto the wall, and moving up with my hands a lot, so the feet aren't leading the way. Still just trying to figure it all out. And okay, placing the feet, and that perch looks very nice on that volume. Allows me to just sort of stabilize and set myself up, but looked a little bit rushed after I made progress to that final section. Just the angle of the wall and the curve on that left handhold coming up, not very comfortable. Probably gave me a sense of urgency to keep moving, and again rushed on that attempt, trying to sort of bump the right hand off that crimp. Didn't really look like the most intuitive thing to do. A bit of a panicked effort, so here we go again, and just okay, placing the foot after making the left hand, and okay, moving up and going up with the left hand this time, stabilizing with the right foot and matching. There we go.